Why night shake? These are the 10 reasons why you require Herbalife meal replacement shakes in the night time. These are the scientifically proven research based facts. Number 1, Herbalife shakes are low in glycemic index, which helps you to not get into high sugar spikes. Number 2, it has protein. So protein is good for your feeling fullness and muscle repair and regeneration. It actually improves your satiety and also for the growth, particularly during the night time. Number 3, they are calories less, which helps you indirectly for weight loss and also for maintenance. Number 4, nutrition density. They are full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and phytonutrients. Vitamin B6 will be definitely helpful for sleep. And immunity wise also, these nutrition definitely will be helpful for your immunity purposes. Number 5, they are easy on digestion, gut friendly, low in inflammation, they are alkaline in nature. So they are actually helpful during the night time. Number 6, metabolism wise, during the night time, circadian rhythm, biological clock wise, there are hormones like growth hormone, melatonin. For them to be produced, for them to have proper repair in the body, nighttime vitamins and minerals and proteins rich food is very helpful. That helps you for good metabolism. Number 7, it is also sleep friendly. Eating light on the stomach, having light on the stomach actually induces good sleep. It's not heavy food with biryanis or rice and ice creams and be lot of sugars, lot of oily food will not be helpful for the sleep. Number 8, it's convenient and travel friendly, and it is very quick to make and easy to make. Very simple, within 5 to 10 minutes you can finish it off also meal. So simple. Number 9, eating before the night time, before the sunset is possible with the shake. If you eat the heavy meal after the midnight, maybe late hours, it actually is harmful in terms of digestion, repair and metabolism wise. Whereas the shake is light, easy, you can just have it before the sunset. And it's because cellular nutrition, even if you take in the late hours also, this will be okay. Sometimes people who work in the night time with the night shift, their timings will be totally different. For them also it will be good, easy to, because the cellular nutrition absorbs into the villi, absorbs into the intestine very quickly. And the 10th point, helps you improve right eating habits. In otherwise, it actually changes, induces your behavioral change. So once you start a good thing, it affects everything, because everything affects everything. So if you have a bad thing, that affects your whole day. If you have a good thing, that affects every day. So my suggestion is, why don't you try Herbalife meal replacement shake even night time also, along with how you take it as a breakfast, healthy breakfast. Similarly, you can also have the shake twice in a day.